Today we're going to look at distributive property part 3. I'm going to focus on what I call the ghost number. 1 is considered my ghost number. I know it's there, but I don't always see that 1. The best example that I can think of is if I just have R. I know that my ghost number is there. It's right in front of that R, and I'm going to make it appear. So that's going to be our main focus today, is making that ghost number appear. So in my first example, I have 2 ghost numbers. 1 right here in front of my parenthesis, and 1 inside my parenthesis. So I made my ghost appear. Now I'm going to go ahead and separate my parentheses out, and then I'm going to distribute. 6 times 5R, six times 11. Then I'm going to move over to my second set of parentheses. 1 times 5. And I do want to go ahead and write that out just in case I have a negative somewhere. You'll see in the next example how that plays out. Then I have 1 times 1R. Now I need to combine like terms. I'm actually going to combine like terms a little bit different than I have in the past. I'm going to go ahead and draw myself a box and split it up. My letters and with numbers will go here, and just my numbers will go here. So I'm going to go ahead and put this 30R in my letters box. I'm also going to put that 1R in my letters box. My 66 will go in my numbers box, and my 5 will go in my numbers box. Now all I have to do is combine these together. And remember, combine means to add. So I have 31R, and I have 71R, or 71, my bad. So then I have my final answer because I cannot combine 31R and 71. Now you'll notice on this next example, the numbers are the same, but I have some different signs on this. So again, I'm going to make my ghost number appear. I have 2 of them again. Then I'm going to separate my parentheses. Let me change the color on that. Then I'm going to multiply out. Six times 5R gives me 30R. 6 times negative 11 gives me negative 66. And then on my second one, I have negative 1 times 5. And then I have negative 1 times negative 1, R. Again, I'm going to combine like terms, and I'm going to do it the same way I did last time. I'm going to draw myself out a box, split it in half, letters here, numbers here. 30R, negative 66, negative 5, and positive 1R. I'm going to combine like terms. I'm going to add them together still. So I get 31R. And this time I have negative 66 plus negative 5. And I'll find that my answer comes out to be negative 71. Again, I have all my terms that I can possibly combine together. So my final answer is 30R minus 71.